Hello, my name is Sarah Catherman, and I am the 2025-2026 Melhorn Restoration House leader. The Restoration Houses strive to restore our relationships with God, with humanity, and creation. The special interest houses are living learning communities where groups of students live together in a house and share a common social interest. Commitments include engaging in fellowship with a special interest housing, supporting and connecting with the Office of Sustainability, and serving in local campus communities through the Agape Center, church communities, and others. They also honor God by showing love to their neighbors and live sustainability by educating themselves, making informed decisions, using resources conservatively, and disposing of waste properly. Each house has an individual gathering once a week. The houses together hold one festival each semester for the entire Messiah community, and the houses care for the Office of Sustainability's chickens, where the house members will share daily responsibility of taking care of the chickens.
Hi, my name is Ashley. I'm another resident of Melhorn, and my favorite thing about living in special interest housing is the independence provided as well as the increased preparedness for living in the outside world.